Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So one of the things you have to do every so often is go on Teddy pick up sessions, because he just leaves them all over the house. Just like having a kid. So it's what time?
It's 17:47, so 5:45.
5:45 on Thursday. And look, there's a rainbow.
But
strangely enough, it's not raining.
But look at the thing, it says it's not raining at all on the, if you come this way on my phone.
Yes, it shows that it was
sunny.
Yes, so your weather forecast on your phone says no rain. Except
it's raining over there.
So that means that we're about to get some rain.
Unless the leprechauns are out.
I'm sure that's a bit racist these days.
I don't think it is.
He's watching you intently.
Hello, beautiful. It's a good boy.
He'll be looking at us watching in a minute.
He will. It's nearly that time.
It is nearly that time. Hey. Hello, chicken. Hello, chicken. You all comfy there in your bed?
Yes, Daddy.
With a little bit of draft blowing through the window, keeping you cool. Yes. Oh.
Hard life.
Totally.
Hello, everyone. It's not cookery time. I'm wetting paper and drying it in the oven. I have some commissions to make for my, there we are, for my traveller's notebook. So I am just crinkling the paper, ready for these commissions to go out. From ordinary paper to crinkly paper.
But they're not tea-dyed, are they?
They're not tea-dyed because this is parchment paper.
Right, so it's already coloured.
It's already got a nice texture to it and a nice colour. All I do is just wet it with a wide brush, both sides, on a glass mat, and pop it in the oven for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Or 1 minute 25 seconds.
On what temperature?
It's on a 150 to 160 degrees. Too hot, and it'll go brittle.
Right.
And it'll snap.
So you're not adding it, but you could add some colour to this.
I'm here.
You could add some colour to it if you wanted to.
Well, you could add some distress ink.
Yeah.
Or
But I mean,
whatever.
because the parchment paper is already a nice kind of,
Mottled.
almost like ivory colour, isn't it?
Yeah,
I don't know
it
if
is.
the camera's picking that up properly, but it's a nice kind of ivory colour, isn't it?
Oh,
there's
Mr.
somebody
Postman's here.
Somebody at the door. I'm back. It wasn't the postman, it was a delivery driver.
Oh, was it? What did we get?
Paper.
Excellent. Yes, where were we? Yes. You could put in it, in the water, you could actually put in it some distress ink or some dye or
Coffee.
Reevely, you could put Reevely sprays in it, some Madame Reevely sprays.
Yes.
It's colour, 'cause it's quite...
It depends on the depth of colour that you want. Sorry, I'm being poured. What's up? Is nobody paying you any attention?
Oh.
Is nobody paying you? Oh, look at that! Look at that face! Oh, the beautiful baby. Yeah, the beautiful baby.
Yes. So anyway, so I'm doing.
I'm busy.
Okay. I'm losing interest in this.
I'm busy loving. Busy loving my baby.
Ah, big softy.
So you were saying yes.
Yeah, so just wet both sides. You could put Reevely sprays in it. You could put some distress ink in it. Put whatever in it. And look at him now. He's. I want to be on the. I want to be on the telly. I want to be on the telly.
You're a monkey. Yes, I have still got my pyjamas on, even though it is 1:10 in the afternoon.
So yes, so I've got 10, 20, 30, 60, 90 sheets to do.
That shouldn't take you long then.
No. Oh, Saved by the Bell.
So some of you that have been following us for quite some time will know that we moved into a new house at the end of May last year. So it's actually coming up to a year since we've been in the new house. And if you've seen shots out of the window, you'll know that our house borders a kind of village green. Now, because of the lockdown, the management company that normally come and cut the grass and maintain the flower beds and that kind of stuff haven't been coming. So the grass has got quite tall, and the weeds are quite bad. So concentrated effort from all of the community around, so lots of different people that live around the green have all got together today to do it themselves. Maintaining social distance, of course, so each kind of little unit has dedicated a little area on the green and they're all tackling it, so little by little, all done in small chunks. It should get done in no time. And of course, Mr. Ian is right there in the thick of it. Unfortunately, our lawnmower and strimmer runs on batteries, but we've only got enough batteries to run one machine at a time, not two. Otherwise, I'd be out there too. So it's Monday morning, and yesterday the British government announced new lockdown measures, or a slight easing of lockdown measures here in the UK. So those people that are at home that can't work from home have been instructed to go back to work, providing that it's safe for them to do so, so that their employers have put measures in place to keep them safe, social distance, all that kind of stuff. So if it's safe for people to go back to work and they can't work from home, then they should go back to work. But they have said, or the government has said, that they're to try and avoid public transport where possible. So that means car, bike, or walking, or whatever, whichever is the best way to get to work without using public transport. Obviously, if you can't avoid using public transport, then can you still use public transport? They've not actually said don't use public transport, because key workers and stuff use public transport, are still using buses and that kind of thing. So it's not exactly 100% clear as to what that actually means. But looking out the window this morning, I was kind of expecting to see less cars on the drives on our little enclave here in Monk Bretton. But there seems to be just as many cars on the drive this morning as there have been during normal lockdown. So I don't know whether or not this gradual kind of opening of the country has had that much of an effect on people. Or maybe it's just too soon. Maybe because the announcement only happened yesterday, employers haven't had enough time to get ready to get people back into work pretty much within 24 hours. So it might start happening during the latter part of this week. We will have to wait and see what happens. Maybe an update later in the week. We'll see. So the postman's just been, Royal Mail, if you like, has just delivered a parcel that I ordered 5 weeks ago. Just in time for them not to be needed. Possibly. So much for express 24-hour post. 5 weeks.
Are you sunning your tummy? Are you sunning your... He's snug.
One little half metre of sunshine coming through the window and he's got himself laid in it.
He's tired, he's been busy, he's been to Nana's, remember? You've been to Nana's, you've been to Nana's. He's a good boy, ain't you?
It's a big lump.
You're a big lump. You're a big lump.
Okay, so just quickly, I want to have a quick chat with you about stencil packaging. So the stencils that I sell on my website, I normally send out in packaging like this, which is pre-printed. I get it get them done by the hundreds, and obviously they go to a big printing company, they print them on big sheets of paper, they cut them down, they send them back to me, and I send them out to you guys. And then I know a lot of you probably would save this bit and maybe use it in a project or something, and the rest probably would get thrown away and dumped or put into recycling. But what I wanted to try and work out, because in these days of eco-friendliness and earth-friendliness and cost-effectiveness and all that kind of stuff, is I wanted to try and see whether or not there was a more cost-effective alternative. And I've been looking at this. Yeah, it's just plain, untreated paper, craft paper if you like, or craft card if you like. It's about the same weight as this one, and you can still see the stencil in the packaging. So on that one I did the grungy background so you could see it, and the actual pattern shows through. You can still see it on this one. Now these, when I have them printed, cost me around about 20 pence to have done. Now I don't know what that is in American cents or whatever, but somewhere around about 35 cents, I think, or thereabouts. Let me see if I can work out exactly how much that's going to be. Or I'll put it on the screen here anyway, so you can see exactly how much it's going to be. In fact, I'll tell you what, because I need to know these costs to explain it to you. Just bear with me 1 second. Okay, currently these cost me 20 pence, which is around about 25 cents based on today's exchange rate, which is absolutely awful, but bearing in mind, that's that's the cost. So when I'm ordering these by the hundreds or 200s, it's costing me about £40. So £40. So that is costing me around about $50 to buy the packaging. I know it doesn't sound a lot, but these ones, the craft eco-friendly paper ones, which are only printed in a single colour, cost me, let's have a look, in fact it's so less or so little it doesn't actually register on the conversion. Yeah, around about 5 cents. So fourpence. 4 pence as opposed to 20 pence. 25 cents as opposed to 5 cents. And then there's the bag, which is threepence. So the cost of the packaging. So my question is, what do you guys do with these? Do you keep them? Does it really matter? As long as it comes in something which makes it look nice and presentable. So that with that in a nice bag. Do you care? Because if you don't care, then although this does look nice, it saves me a lot of money to send them out in this way. So please, just let me know in the comment section below whether you care what the packaging comes in. If it matters to you, let me know. If it doesn't matter and you'd just be just as happy to receive the stencils in this kind of packaging, then please let me know below, because it will really, really help. Thank you. So now that we've got that out of the way, let me bring these little three beauties in. So these 3 new stencil designs are my new ones, which have just gone on sale on the website now. So this is Fretwork 1, Fretwork 2 and Maze, or Arrow Maze. I can't remember what I put it on the website as. But anyway, those 3 are now for sale and available on the website. So these are my newest ones. Now these do work really, really nicely. I just did a quick experiment with some spritzes. But look at that lovely effect you get in the background. Absolutely lovely. And that was done just with some pigment powders with water in a spritz bottle, just through the stencil. Love it. For a background, can't go wrong. Absolutely can't go wrong. So that's Fretwork 1, Fretwork 2 and Maze, or Arrow Maze. Can't remember which one it is exactly. But those 3 are now available to order on the website as of today.
You might actually be able to put a big battery in the back and
Oh, again. Oh, thank you.
Well, there you go. Anniversary kisses.
Getting spoiled.
Yes. So you are with those
Back
flowers.
here.
And look at those flowers as well.
And the card's nice.
Yes, and the card's nice. Wish you can't see because it's too dark. Hello, you.
Just don't knock that cup of tea when you jump off. There.
Dad's happy.
Because it'll go all over the floor.
You've got a bit of technology to play with, haven't you?
I'm just looking for the aerial.
Might be inbuilt.
It might be in the handle.
It's one big radio.
Yeah, it's
Can you see an aerial on the box?
Cheers.
no, there's an
There's
aerial.
no picture of it with
There's
an
an aerial in
aerial.
the instructions.
If it's dab, it might not have an aerial.
Yeah.
Softy.
It's a big bloody nana. Look at that.
It's an hard day's night.
Eyes have gone. Eyes are closed. He's happy. Sat with Grandad.
No, they keep opening.
To see what's going on.
Just to make sure everybody's still there. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.